Alright, early afternoon continues. February 19th, 2024. Tyler Hayes here along with John Yamada and the ATSF Railfan. 1352 coming to you yet again from Ladysmith with another video lined up. We're going to have the roll-by of the crude oil empty of U267, 71 of the 18th here, with the CN3137 to lead it and the NS AC44C6M rebuild of the 4091 running in the second slot. Check them out on the roll as it heads on up to North Battleford, Saskatchewan, Canada. And as we're leaning back and get them, here we go. CN3137, the U267. As they waited for 519 to clear the block here at Ladysmith. They will meet a southbound at Murray. Last of U267, Iowa, Chicago, and Eastern 260 to 82. And that will do it for the U267, 71 of the 18th. So that started from Pullman Junction, Illinois, and we'll once again head on up to North Battleford, Saskatchewan, Canada. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith and the highlight of the day. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.